Here is everything which you need to know about the smithing table in Minecraft in under 2 minutes. I will cover all the information from how to craft it all the way to how to use it, so let's get it started. Crafting. To craft the smithing table in Minecraft it's extremely straightforward. You will need 4 wooden planks and 2 iron ingots. You can use any type of wood. The toolsmith villager. But what about using? Well, the smithing table can be used in a lot of different ways. As an example, it can be used as a working stations for villagers to get a toolsmith, which will buy iron and sell diamond tools. And if you combine this villager with a decent iron farm, you will get a fortune, sell huge amounts of iron, make tons of emeralds, and you will not be worrying about diamonds ever again, as you can buy an infinite amounts of diamond tools. Netherite upgrade. The smithing table is also useful whenever you want to decide to move from the diamond gear to the netherite gear. To upgrade something to netherite, open the smithing table, add the netherite upgrade, the item which you'd like to upgrade to netherite, and the netherite ingot. The netherite upgrade can be found in chests like from the nether fortresses or bastions, and you'll need to find only one because it can be legally duplicated without cheating with netherrax, diamonds, and the trim itself. And the netherite ingots, you will have to mine ancient debris which can be found at level Y15 highest concentrations, smelt down the ancient debris and combine it with gold to craft the netherite ingots. Trimmed armor. The only way to trim your armor in Minecraft is with the help of the smithing table. You can find plenty of armor trims in the wild, from shipwrecks to archaeology and so on. And by the way, they are also duplicated, so just find one and duplicate it all over again. The way on how to trim your armor in Minecraft is straightforward. Add the item which you'd like to trim inside the smithing table, an armor trim of your choose, and a mineral or crystal of your desire. I'm not going to stay on everything because it will take a while, but here is a full list of everything which you can choose for trimming. So I hope this Minecraft tutorial helped you out, and thank you a lot for watching.